Rules for the inheritance of traits. Mendel's contribution. The rules of inheritance of traits in human being arose due to the fact that both father and mother contribute practically equal amount of genetic material, that is, DNA, to the child. Thus, each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal traits. To study the inheritance of characters over generations, Gregor John Mendel in 1856 used 7 contrasting visible characters of garden peas. Stem height, tall, dwarf plants, seed shape, round, wrinkled seeds, seed color, yellow-green seeds, flower color, violet-white flowers, pod shape, full constricted pods, pod color, green-yellow pods, flower position, axial terminal flowers. A cross between a tall and a dwarf plant is done. Such type of cross which considers only one character is known as monohybrid cross. In the first generation, all the plants were tall. There were no halfway characteristics. In the second generation, both the traits are expressed in a progeny in the ratio 3:1. Based on these experiments, Mendel has proposed 2 laws: law of dominance, law of segregation.